Hi, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So, what am I doing? Great question. And I ask myself that as well. So, Wonderland Boutique is my business. It's obviously inspired by Alice in Wonderland. I am obsessed with Disney and everything whimsy and dark and magical, and that's why I named it Wonderland Boutique. So, I'm a maker. I'm a crafter. And I make everything from hair bows to custom clothing. I love doing embroidery. I make lip balms and salves. And I have watched so many tutorials all across so many outlets that what I want to do is bring my tutorials and how-tos to you. I've learned how to do a lot of things quicker and easier, and I hope that I can share this journey with you and your crafting endeavors as well. I also want to bring real life into this channel. I also work full-time. I'm a fur mama to Mr. Tromper, my bulldog, who is the cutest bulldog in the world. We also had another bulldog, Miss Pumpkin, who is my daughter, close to my heart. Unfortunately, she did pass due to lymphoma. And that's probably something I'll talk about on this channel because, like I said, that's real life. I'm also a wife to my man-child, Daniel, who is helping me in this journey as well. And like I said, I work full-time. You know, I have family, friends. I love to shop. I love to go to movies. I'm really big into TV series, and I'm really big into music as well. And so I'm very eclectic, and what I want this channel to be is an opportunity for you not just to do tutorials and how-tos, but to see a different side of my life as well, with shopping, with unboxing and hauls and maybe mystery bags. And I really want to go on this journey together. So I appreciate your support. I'm really looking forward to where this can take me and grow my business as well. Make sure you are subscribing to my social media with Instagram and Facebook. I post new products, I have giveaways, sales. You don't want to miss these. So make sure you're subscribed also to the YouTube channel so that you can get alerts whenever I post something new. So I appreciate everyone's support and time, even for taking a few minutes to watch this video, and I look forward to going on this journey with you. Again, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you soon.